This is a 2025 Ninja 500 from Kawasaki, and that is a stock exhaust, and it sounds like this.
We'll let it warm up so I don't break it.
All right, that's all you get. Now, is it the worst sound? No, but it does not sound great, and that is what we're gonna fix today. So the way we're gonna fix that problem today is installing exhaust on this Ninja 500 to make it sound better. If you guys have never seen one of these exhaust videos, I like taking motorcycles, letting you guys see what the bike sounds like stock, then installing an exhaust on it, and then letting you see what it sounds like, and then taking it for a ride so you can see what it sounds like while we're on the road. This way you guys can make the best exhaust decisions when you're inevitably swapping out these OEM exhausts, because do any of us keep the exhaust on there that comes stock? Regardless, the bike we're doing it on today is actually a special motorcycle. It is our current giveaway bike over at OnToGarage.com. And yes, you're probably asking yourself, Chase, why would you do all the work to install an exhaust on this motorcycle if you're not keeping it? And it's because, one, On2Garage allows me to have cool motorcycles, test them out, make cool videos for you guys, and then I just get to give them away back to y'all. And that way I don't have to amass a giant motorcycle collection, because who wants to do that? I've already got 3. I don't need any more. So I do all the work on them, and then I give them to you guys. If you guys want to grab some entries into potentially winning the Ninja 500, go over to OnToGarage.com. You can either get a membership, there's some free ways to enter, just check the website out, all the information is there, and then you will have entries and you could potentially win this motorcycle. Also, there is the whole fact that I wouldn't be able to make this content if it wasn't for all those people supporting the show. So if you're already supporting, I massively appreciate you. Okay, if you guys are new here on our exhaust videos, these are not tutorials. These are just Chase install stuff, and you guys get to hear it. I cut out all the fluff. So today, Yoshimura, you know, the fam, we're basically family at this point. Yoshimura sent out their exhaust for the Ninja 500. Is that leaned over? A little bit, but not dangerously. Anyway, I'm gonna get this exhaust installed since the motorcycle is currently hot, and then once we get it unboxed, we'll take a look at it. These are normally pretty exhaust to look at. Then at that point, the bike should be cool. I'm gonna rock this exhaust on really fast, and then we're gonna take this thing for a ride and see what the difference in the sound is. This is a parallel twin. Our history of parallel twin motorcycles putting Yoshimura exhaust on it, let's just say sounds good. So I have high expectations. Hopefully not too high. Oh, it's a tiny boy. Oh, never get tired of seeing one of those, because I always know what's coming down the pipeline. This is a pretty simple setup. You guys might want to take bets on this being the fastest exhaust install that we've done on this show. Maybe. Maybe. Alrighty guys, so a couple things that we're gonna be getting from this exhaust. One, we all know it is going to sound so much better, or at least it should. And the other thing that you are gonna get with a Yoshi exhaust is, this is especially for the Kawasaki guys out there, I'm not telling you guys anything you don't already know. Kawasaki put some of the largest exhaust I've ever seen on a motorcycle. Exhibit A. It is absolutely huge and it is absolutely hideous. The difference here is insane. Remember, that pipe, I'm gonna take it off, it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna put some headphones on, get the bike up, and we're gonna get this thing off. And more importantly, we're gonna put this thing on. Oh, also, I have a bit of a challenge for myself. It is currently 11:28 and Leo, my son, goes to sleep at 12. So I've got 31 minutes to get this exhaust on before I have to stop filming. May the timer May the timer begin. These, look at the size difference. Now that this is not even with that giant silver plate on it, look at the difference between these exhausts. Also, the weight, this weighs at least probably 15 to 20% more than the Yoshi. Also, look at the difference, my guy. Also, Kawasaki, what is this?
What the hell is even that?
What is this? Come on, you can do better. You and Honda. Y'all both know. Y'all both know y'all can do better than that. Side note, if you're following along at home, the only thing you need from stock is the bolt on the underside of your stock exhaust. That's it. God, so much better. All right, that's time, 11:41. So that means I got this thing in 11 minutes. That's with filming. So if you buy one of these, we'll have links in the description if you want one. Do not take it to a shop to get it installed. It will literally take you probably 5 minutes, absolutely max, with bringing your tools out. Do not waste money at a motorcycle shop. So that's what it looks like. Alrighty guys, Yoshi, you've never failed me before. Don't make this a first. Give me what I want, please. Every freaking time. The girth of that sound is so much better. I know it's cold, but we're just gonna do a little bit of a. They have not missed yet, bro. It sucks what bikes can sound like and what they actually sound like stock. It now sounds like a little race bike. I don't know if that's coming over the microphone. All right, I'm gonna let it warm up before I break it. All right, she sounds like she's settling in. Let's do a little bit of an aggressive rev. Anybody out here? Bro, I am not going past 7,000 RPMs. I could go up to 11. Freaking yes, my guy. I get the whole like emission stuff, like regulation or whatever, but part of me's like, bro, emissions suck. You have to handle all of that stuff and make your bike sound a particular way, but part of me's excited about it because then we get these moments of getting excited about an exhaust. Also, can we all just comment on how much better that looks? Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna get some gear on and we are going to jet very quickly because Leo goes down in 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, we slipped out before Leo went down to sleep, so we've timed this perfectly. So, we got the Ninja 500 out here in the open. We got this beautiful Yoshi on it, so now that I don't have to worry about my neighbors, so much deeper. It ain't even kinda close, my guy. That is the same motorcycle. I know it doesn't sound like it, but it is. Alright, I'm gonna now try to shut the hell up and ride this thing around so that we can hear it and see what it sounds like while we're going. Yes! I want to look up if there's any power numbers because it feels like whenever this bike hits the power band, it feels like the power band is stronger now. Throws me back a little more than it used to. I think my favorite part of the tone might be when you're kind of lugging the bike down. We're going like barely, not even 50 in 4th gear. But when I get on it, it's got like a deep sound that sounds good. Like so much deeper than it used to be. That sounds like what you want your bike to sound like, even if it's a lower CC bike. It definitely has more pickup now. I'm gonna have to look that up, but holy crap. Well guys, as you can see, or I guess here, the Yoshimura is absolutely phenomenal on the Ninja 500. If you guys have a Ninja 500 and you're looking into exhaust, you definitely need to be looking into the Yoshi. Not only does it sound better, which you've seen in this video, but it makes the bike lighter, it looks way better, and I need to research this, but just from riding around, it feels like there is some sort of power increase by adding that exhaust. Overall, super excited about that. Very happy to have that on our giveaway bike. And now when I'm riding this thing around, I can actually be happy about how this thing sounds. I'll have a link to the Yoshimura exhaust in the description down below. And if you guys want to win the Ninja 500, of course, it's our current giveaway bike over at on2garage.com. We've always got a giveaway bike going on over there. So go over there, grab yourself some entries for season 10, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoy motorcycle content, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more of this kind of stuff, and at the end of the day, go out there and ride whatever you want to ride. As long as you're on a motorcycle, you're good with me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later. God, what a good sound, dude. Exhaust videos get me so amped up because this is what these motorcycles should sound like. Getting you excited and everything? Come on, bro.